Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add 60-second story on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and start creating your story by tapping on the plus sign below your profile icon. Or you may also swipe your screen to the right and it will show you the same interface. And then you may choose a video that is longer than 60 seconds and just select the specific part that you want to use. From here, actually, no additional actions are needed to be done because the video length is automatically set at 60 seconds. So, yeah, once you've done selecting which part of the video you want to post, just click Done at the top right corner of your screen. And just select your audience by choosing at the options available at the bottom of your screen. So you may choose to post it to all of your followers or to your close friends. And just hit share when you're done. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!